How to get rid of calluses on feet overnight. You must try this extremely effective method. Find the best way to get rid of calluses on feet fast without using pumice stone. These tips and home remedies will help you remove hard skin from bottom of your feet overnight. On an average, a normal human being walks 5,000–6,000 steps every day. All this walking is bound to develop some calluses along the way. I understand that you work hard every day, but that in no way should that your feet should have untreated calluses. In order to protect your feet from these unnecessary troubles, it's better to treat your feet a bit more carefully. Don't worry, this is not going to take too much time of your day or going to cost you all that much. So, here are some tips and tricks you might want to take a look at to get rid of calluses on feet quickly. These tips will help you to get soft and smooth feet within a few days. 3 steps to remove calluses on feet. If you want smooth, soft feet, without any calluses, then you need to go through a 3-step process. Now the 3 steps of this process are soaking, scrubbing and drying. These 3 steps can be carried out in many different ways, and some of them are briefly described here. Step 1. Soaking. The first step in the 3-step process is soaking. In this step, you need to soak your feet using warm water and some additional ingredient if you want. This step helps to soften your hard and dry skin. You need to soften your skin because in the next you are going to scrub your feet. Soft skin makes it really easy to be removed and much more comfortable. There are many ways a person can perform this step using different ingredient each time. Using Epsom salt along with lukewarm water, not hot water, will help to soften your calluses and remove toxins. Another way is to use chamomile tea to soak your feet for 30 minutes. These different ways will help to soften hard feet and help to remove dead skin cells in the scrubbing part. Step 2. Scrubbing. Scrubbing. This is the step where you get rid of calluses on feet using scrub. It's best to use a proper file for removing calluses after you have done the soaking step. One can always do this after they have taken an ice shower, as their feet have already been soaked in warm water. Use a file, scrub your feet in a circular motion. This will help you to get rid of all the dead skin cells and also calluses. One can also use a pumice stone to do the scrubbing. You need to do this 2 times a week and continue till you are satisfied with the result. An interesting fact you may like to know is that if you take a walk on a wet sandy beach barefoot every day, then you may never have to go through this process. Step 3. Drying. Always remember to dry your feet after going through scrubbing if you don't want any more calluses. It's really important not to allow your feet to remain damp. Try using a proper towel to remove your moisture. It's even better if you use cornstarch on your feet after this process. Using cornstarch helps with 2 things. First is it helps you dry out your feet, and secondly it wards off any impending feet infections. Once you have done these 3 steps, then moisturize your feet. Try using your normal skin moisturizer, or you can get a proper feet moisturizing cream. Home remedies to eliminate calluses. I always say it's better to go natural where your body is concerned. It's just as true in this matter, and as I have already explained you the 3 steps, you could combine the both. Here are some home remedies that you can use as part of a 3-step process. 1. Epsom salt for soaking. 2. Baking soda for soaking. 3. Chamomile tea for soaking. 4. Sugar scrub. 5. Pineapple peel. 6. Papaya mask.